Hello and welcome back, and in this episode I've got the front cross member off and I'm now dismantling it, ready to clean down, give it a sandblasting, a fresh lick of paint ready to go back onto red. So here we go. I'll just show you how these locking tabs work and how it comes to pieces. So I'll just adjust you so you can see what's going off. Out a bit, and there we go. As you can see, I've took one out. They're pretty easy. I don't think we need to do bolts. We'll just clean these up and do them as we go. See, there's locking tabs here. Look. The thing that seems to work is a little ring spanner, 1/2 inch. And that's not working, so here we go. And it's not working because we've got to knock the tab back. So, where are we? Let me just reach over and get the It's my fault as it comes here. And they're all in back. It's all good stuff. As it happens. So let's have another look at it, shall we? Right. I'll knock these tabs out of the way so I can get a socket. Let's have a look. What's this? That's not having it. Well, that's good. Is it smaller? It doesn't like it, does it? What does that mean, spanner? Nope, we're slipping, folks. No nightmare. Might have to be some heat on that. I don't know what. What might have to do. Something a bit more lengthy. Is this it? It's going to be 1/2 inch. No, it's a bit slacking off, that is. Let's have a look. As you can see, it's slippery. So, I'll just upset it a bit. and just squeeze it around with chisel. And that's it. Is it gone? Alright, where's my little spanner? No, it's not going. So, persuasion. Oh, the joys of rusty things. So, it looks like it'll be new notes after all, new studs. Ouch. That's a good one. Could be. They don't want to come, that one. Oh well. That would have been very hard to get off on the car. Very, very hard. No, it's not having it. So, get these off, I think. So we can get some kick oomph on it. That's it, oil. What we're going to do? That's not that one. We got one. 5/8. Strange one. What's that one? The 8 Whitworth. That's strange. Five eight, that's going to be right. Don't tell me. This might be a case where the thing is better. Metric. Let's have a look at it. Tell the dog and rabbit, as they say. What's that? Tab down. That's that one down. Well, it looks good. looks very good. Have a look. I'll get back to you in a bit when we got it undone. And here we are back. That's the steering rack. There's just one joint and that's that one. But I can't think of what get it vice. But they're all pretty good except for that one there. I've had to stretch the bolt with the chisel, pull it out so I can get the 1mm grinder cutting blade in and cut the bolt. The bolt's now residing up there somewhere, but it could have been a lot worse, and it probably was done because I've got this. But that's all part of the job. When you're taking rusty stuff to pieces, then that's what happens. So right, we'll get on with it. We'll see you in a minute. I'm back. This is a front brake disc off a Capri. As you can see, the bolt onto the rear of the hub, like that. This is what you call a locking ring. It covers 2 bolts, and it should, well, they should both be there, but there was only this here. That's how much it has rotted. Basically what it is, your bolt goes through there, and this tab here, you knock up to the side of the bolt and it stops the bolt from coming undone. So that's obviously got to have new ones. So we'll finish taking that out there. We'll stand here a minute. Just put you under it. Just get me knocked in. Now we'll tap free, shall we? Put the last this is here. Right, there we go. Where's the paint? Good dish, I don't want to ruin them, but I think we'll have to do. Very heavy and all, by the way. And we'll get something to go in between them. Try and separate them. It's all good stuff. Black fingernails and all. Tough. It might never want to give up. I don't know. If it gets the thingy out back on it, it might have to have a press to get it out. Hello, is it coming? Nope. Is it? No, it isn't. Seems to have got the seal going there. Let's have a look. Could be ages of this. Right, I think what we're going to have to do with them, we are going to have to clean them down a jar all in one. Put some new bolts and locking tabs in them. I think that's going to be the optimum choice. I can't separate them. I've seen them it pass me, take them off and it fell off. But I would like to take it and have it skinned while I clean this bit down. That'll be going to make it nice and shiny. There. There we go. I think we've got it. Yeah, we got it. All good stuff. There's the skim load. And that's it. That's all that was holding it up. Now that's a good hub. There's a new oil seal, but we'll probably put new bearings in it. All good stuff. That's one for the heat. Closer to a day sandblasting. That's what we're going to do. I'll see you in a minute.